to reset your password on your cake application. Hello everyone, in today's video I have the solution of this problem on your cake application, of course. So just watch this video till the end. So now and first you need to open your cake application like this. After this, come here to your profile. And what's next, guys? For example, I forget my password. I will just come to settings and I will go like I wanna change my password. Wait, I will repeat this because I don't know, my connection it's being worst. Come to settings. Here on settings I will come to password, click on it. Here I want to reset my password. Just I will click reset password. They will tell me to enter my email. You will enter, then I will click send email. Then after this they will send me a code on my Gmail or email, on this email that you write here, and then you will complete this step by writing your code that they sent you on your cake application. Then they will make you able to change your password and create a new one. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.